We are pleased to show you the 2017 Altima. The Nissan Altima offers advanced features to make life easier, including push-button ignition, which comes standard. Combine that with a powerful V6 or efficient 4-cylinder engine, 6 standard airbags, and over 5,000 quality and performance tests, and you'll see the Nissan Altima is made to drive and built to last, and is priced below $20,000. This vehicle has less than 25,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: stability control, traction control, cruise control, power brakes, trip computer, trip odometer, fog lights, clock, child safety locks, daytime running lights. Drive away with a great deal on this vehicle. Call or stop in today.